it's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you?
Today, as you can see in the title, we are doing pancakes.
Each one is doing one type.
Action! First of all, we have to separate the egg whites and the yolks. We will add the milk and the butter. And we mix. Then we will put some baking soda on the flour and we will mix into the dough. Now we will beat the eggs to form peaks. These are the egg whites, and now we are going to add it doing circular movements. And to finish, we will add some aroma of vanilla, and we will mix. To cook the pancakes, we will add some butter on the pan to baste it. When the pancake starts having bubbles, it's time to turn.
I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yes, I don't care as long as you just hold me.
To start, I will separate the two parts of the egg. And now I'm going to mix the sugar with the yolks until they become spongy. I'm going to mix the melted butter with the milk. Now I'm going to put the flour little by little. I'm going to beat the egg white to form peaks. The peak is formed, so now I'm going to put it in the mix. I'm going to add the mix. The mix is almost done, so I'm going to add the Nutella. The Nutella is added, so I'm going to add another slide of the mix.
cool. Right?
My strange addiction. You are my strange addiction. My doctors can't explain my symptoms or my pain, but you are my strange addiction.
First, like Borja and Jonel have done, I have to separate the egg white and the yolk. Now I'm going to beat the sugar with the yolk. The sugar and the yolk are mixed, so now I'm going to add the melted butter. And obviously I'm going to mix it. In this bowl I have chocolate, and I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda. I'm going to mix it, and then I will add it to the big mix. The mix have to be more liquid, so I'm going to add the buttermilk, who is a mix of milk and lemon juice. Here is the egg white, and I'm going to beat it and add it to the mix because it has to be more spongy. I've made quick beating the egg white, and I'm going to add it to the dough. To make these pancakes you have to be careful because they burn easily.